Right here I have the Taurus phone case, and this is going to be the slim phone case. Check out how slim this is. So I'm actually coming from a smaller Samsung phone, and I just got the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the Pro Max is a little bit wider than a Samsung phone, so I wanted to keep it slim. Normally phone cases for the iPhones are going to be pretty big and pretty bulky. Now this is going to be a super minimalistic design. This is going to be a 0.03 inch slimness or thickness on the actual phone case. So it feels like nothing is there. So if you're somebody like me that likes almost just bare phone, you wish you could just use the phone without a case because you like that feeling, but you also want to protect it, this is definitely going to be the phone case for you. You can get this phone case in the navy blue. You can also get it in orange to match your phone, or you can get this in the black like I have here. Now, a couple things that I want to point out here is going to be this phone case is actually going to be made with a polycarbonate shell, and it is going to have round edges. So this is going to have that G3 upgraded round edges, and it's also going to have the 4.0 technology of shock absorption. This is going to have the corner protection. It's really going to protect your phone all the way around. This is also going to have a raised lip. So as you can see there, it's going to have about a 1.5 millimeter raised lip over the actual camera lens. So when you do lay this down, just like that, it's not going to be touching the camera lenses at all. Now on this front side, we're also going to have another raised lip that's going to be about a 1.3 millimeter raise. So when you set it down on this side, it is not going to be touching the screen whatsoever. So we're going to have nice openings on the bottom, so you'll be able to put an adapter. I actually use a wireless microphone, and it still goes into this port no problem because there's enough room. And you're also going to have that opening for that special function button that you have on the iPhone. And there's not going to be a cover over this because this one's actually going to be recessed on the phone. So it has a really nice smooth lip on here. So this material is actually going to be fingerprint resistant, and it's also going to be scratch resistant as well. It just looks really good. It's going to be like a matte finish. And on these buttons right here, it does have really good feel. Whenever you are pressing them, it goes in and out very easily. I'm gonna go ahead and take the phone out of this case, show you. It is nice and secure in there. So this right here is just totally unprotected, but you can see the comparison here on the thickness. So as you can see that comparison, this is basically the same feel of an iPhone. There's almost nothing there. If I go to bend it, you can see it doesn't bend. It's very stiff. It's going to be really protective. And on the inside, it's just going to be nice and smooth. We are just going to have a cutout going all the way around. And overall, this is a great case if you're looking to protect your phone and keep it very slim, very minimalistic like myself, and you just like that feel of having almost nothing in your pocket. It's very nice. And I love the matte material because it doesn't slide out of my hand either. It's kind of grips to my hand pretty good with this material. This is definitely something that I recommend. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.